senorita. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. And welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo, pay attention, it's showtime.
So it is. And what darling people I have sitting under me. Pierre, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Mon ami, I am always ready, as you say, to put on the show. Oh, pardon, madame. That whistle was for my good friend, Fritz.
Ach, du Lieber, I almost fell out of my number perch. Glad to see you all aboard. Sure, or wherever you are. My goodness, you're all staring at us. We better start the show rolling.
Wait. We forgot to wake up the Glee Club.
Ole, it's showtime.
In the tiki room, in the tiki room.
All the birds sing word and the flowers croon.
In the tiki room.
Welcome to our tropical hideaway. You lucky people, you. If we weren't in the show starting right away, we'd think the audience too.
All together in the tiki room, in the tiki room.
All the birds sing word and the flowers croon.
In the tiki room.
I sing so beautiful, I should sing solo.
See, so low we can't hear you.
My voice may not be so marvelous, but my profile is out of this world.
Jawohl, but the trouble is, it's not far enough out of this world. Isn't that right, Herr Schmidt? I see, Schmidt has no hair.
Mi amigo, stop the clucking. You sound like a bunch of old hens. There's a lot of birds waiting to go on. For instance,
The boys in the back are called macaws.
because of their claws?
No, because they're macaws. And our fine feather friend is a jolly toucan. And two can sound better than one toucan can. The bird of paradise is an elegant bird. It likes to be seen and it loves to be heard. Most little birdies will fly away, but the tiki room birds are here every day.
In the tiki room, in the tiki room.
All the birds sing word and the flowers croon.
In the tiki room.
Our magnificent production is yet to come. So strum the guitar and beat the drum. We've been a hit and we know you adore us. So come on and join us in another chorus.
In the tiki room, in the tiki room.
I need to stop that.
Sing words and the flowers croon. In the tiki room.
We need to load up.
Tiki room, in the tiki room. All the birds sing words and the flowers croon. In the tiki room.
Let's give the little birdies a great big hand. And now, Señores and Señoritas, please place your eyes into the center of the room, that is.
Look, here come the girls.
Ach, ja. And a wunderbar birdmobile, which has birds on it, and it goes round and round. And that's why we call it a birdmobile.
Mesdames and messieurs, introducing the lovely ladies of the ensemble. Just like the fully bergère with all the feathers, there's Colette, hello Colette. Suzette, hello Mimi, Gigi, Fifi, Josephine.
I wonder what happened to Rosita.
Let's all sing like some birdies sing. Tweet, 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 tweet. Let's all sing like some birdies sing. Sweet, 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 sweet. Let's all warble like nightingales. Give your throat a treat. Take your time, don't take birds while you are nosing where. Sweet, 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 sweet.
Let's all sing like the birds sing.
Let's all sing like the birdies sing. Tweet, 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 ah, that bird sings sweetly.
Let's all wobble like nightingales. Ah, oui, c'est magnifique. Take your time from the birds. Now you all know the
tweet, tweet.
Ha ha! Applause, applause, that's so good.
Wunderbar.
Ça was magnifique. See, no one laid an egg but me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have something really big for you.
Yeah, the bird stands still and the tiki room flies away.
Mon ami, quit talking while I'm interrupting. Ladies and gentlemen, now we present direct from the islands a musical luau.
The gods have been angered by all the celebrating. But me buck out, every cloud has a silver line.
Monsieur and Mesdames, it's time to say adieu. But we hope you will always remember the amazing things which happened here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
The birdies have their fling. You've heard the flowers sing. Tiki's play the drums. Hear them do the chant.
we have a wonderful magic trick for you.
Ja, a wunderbar trick. Everybody, face the door. And the trick is, we're gonna make you all disappear.
Just let your feet and go. We'll sing the song, you march along. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho.